back to the channel. Today I'm talking about one-piece easy to crochet projects, and I've done a number of different versions of tops, and of course the simplest one to start off if you're a beginner is some of the lovely hats that we make in order to donate these to various charities. And there's a million different ways that you can test out different hat patterns. But today I want to talk about 3 projects that I absolutely love. My first one that I'd recommend, if again you want to try out some new patterns, is this Habitat Cardigan by Make Do Grow. And she's got absolutely spectacular tutorials that you can follow along if you're interested in, again, making a very simple constructed cardigan. The second project I wanted to recommend is, again, a very simple to construct vest that is really easy, again, if you're a beginner and looking to start some new tutorials. I made some slight changes to the version that I created because I wanted a different neckline and I wanted a closed front that didn't have quite as wide a gap. But again, very simple, one rectangular piece with the 2 armholes. The third project I wanted to recommend was an evening purse. And so Sweet Softies has a lovely Japanese knot bag that might be something that you're interested in trying as well. It was very easy to construct and also makes a great gift idea. Thanks again for liking, subscribing, or following our videos.